real life. Cause now she's out living life on the moon. No way you're reaching her now. Dream every night of diving in the blue. But I guess you don't know what you got until it's gone. Bet you wish you just held on, yeah. She's an original, original, original. And not your typical, typical, typical. She's an original, original, original. She's something lyrical, lyrical, lyrical. You thought you went and broke her heart. Ah, how adorable. She's an original, original, original. She's an original, original, original. Oh, now you're ready to give all you got. I guess you finally realized you dropped the ball, yeah, you're missing your shot. Got you losing your mind.
One more wine, one more whiskey, and we just kept the car in park and dim the headlights so we see the stars. Let them tell us where we should start. And I'm scared as hell because there's no way to know how this goes. But I can't help but say I promise to give you my all. But it might break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. I won't let you down. But it might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. It might break me. It might break me. It might break me. It might break me down. But it might break me. It might break me. It might break me. It might break me down. But it might break me. The sight of you, it makes me dizzy. And when you're gone, I miss your face. Tonight I'll meet you in our favorite place. And just can't let this wait one more day. But I'm scared as hell, and there's just no way to know how this goes. And I can't help but say, trusting why you are so beautiful. But it might break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. I won't let you down. But it might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. But it might break me. It might break me. It might break me. It might break me down. But it might break me. But it might break me, break me. It might break me, break me. It might break me down. It might break me. It might break me.
Ta-da! Man, this thing looks great, especially cleaned up now. The hood looks more conformed. The color is not near as far off as it looked. The back bumper probably looks about maybe the most off, but it's still in the light. This thing just, oh man, this thing looks good. And that pearl white just pops in the sunlight. It's so nice. So now that I have it all together, completely back together, and I have my shirt back on, thank God, I'm gonna take this to the enhanced inspection station and get this thing road legal right now. Not taking the cameras with you. We're gonna go over a cost breakdown in the next video, but I have lots of stuff to film today, and I have lots to do, and I'm gonna drive this thing and I'm gonna enjoy it because it was a lot longer than I thought. I picked this thing up in November of 2020. It is now the middle of May, so that makes this over 6 months, probably almost 7 months I've been working on this. I had a little help along the way. I had to help putting the windshield in, and the paint job I had Jerry do, but man, was it worth it? I don't know. We're gonna have to find out whenever I go over the breakdown. Boys, she's legal. We already had a casualty on the way back. The skid pan I put on all with plastic clips. Don't do that. It came loose. And then the front inner fender that I put on the passenger side, rolled up in the wheel well. I did get it. I got everything. I put it back on. This time I used metal clips with bolts. Okay, threaded nut certs with bolts. They ain't going nowhere. If that thing comes off now, then there's something wrong. So inside this luxurious ride, the air conditioning works good. We have a tire pressure light because I could not get the tire pressure sensors to program, so we probably have some bad sensors. We'll replace all 4 of those when we get tires. Temperatures stay pretty stable. Everything works. Air conditioning feels great. Here's our subwoofer control. This thing rips. The only thing that is a little bit to be desired is the automatic transmission. Yes, it's a little slow on shifts and stuff like that. It's not like some high dollar dual clutch or something like that, but it still gets up and goes. She's still quick, like really, really quick. It feels as fast as that Audi, if not faster. I don't know how, but it does. Anyways, I'm going ollies because although I cleaned these seats up as best as I could, there's cigarette burns in it, and I'm just going to get cheap seat covers. I was going to get custom seat covers and cover the seats. They're way more expensive than I expected them to be. So $20 for a couple seat covers, that'll be fine. I'm just going to throw them on because I am going to drive this thing. It's not perfect, okay? And it looks really, really good for not being perfect, but I need floor mats. Just a couple things I want to get, and I get all that stuff at Ollie's because it's cheap. Good stuff, cheap. So if you're curious why these last clips are in black and white, it is because this is the following day from when I originally recorded it. I did some modifications to the car, changed some colors and some stuff, and I don't really want to show it until that video. So this is the next day, so that's why everything's in black and white. And I just got the very last piece for the Z and I finished it. Right there. I was missing this cap. The bottle didn't come with one. That's a brand new Nissan one. Factory. But that's going to be the end of this video. This Z has taken me 7 months. And I am so happy. And I've been driving it. And it puts smiles on my face because it does run great. The automatic's a little lackluster. I wish it was a manual. But it's not that bad. I mean, it's still a blast to drive. So, and honestly, it's nice to just cruise and not have to worry about shifting. I can eat and drive and everything, and it looks so good. It even looks good in black and white, wouldn't you say? So if you like this video, smash that like button, consider subscribing, hit that dislike button to unlock the Your Mom Watches Unwrecked achievement. And we'll see you on the next episode of Unwrecked. Mommy got a new computer chair, and Stewie is upset because he likes the old chair. He used to sit up here all the time. Mom got a new one, and he doesn't fit on it. Stella tried it, didn't work. I'm just chilling behind Mommy's old computer chair, huh? Yeah? Stella, you can hide from me, but you can't hide from your fans. All I had to do was pet her. She's like, hey, how you doing? You don't even know what to do with yourself. Say bye-bye.